Body by Fran Training, and today I'm going to show you some technique tips and targeted conditioning exercises for butterfly and extended butterfly. I'm going to get into my butterfly from a crucifix. Now you can come into it from a leg hang if you'd like. That's an option as well. Butterfly and extended butterfly require a nice strong bottom hand push and for the body to be lined up with the pole. A lot of problems people have is tilting sideways and not pushing with that bottom hand enough. So let's take a look and break it down. Coming into the crucifix, I place my hand right about forehead level and turn to face the pole. I then push the hips up into the air and release the same leg as bottom hand. Now to come into extended butterfly, I can just extend from the calf into the heel. In order to strengthen that bottom arm push, we really need to be able to work into the muscles under the armpit, the serratus, the pecs, and the lats. So this is an awesome targeted conditioning exercise, specifically for that bottom hand push. Stand facing the pole, take your hand to the pole, fingers down. Don't grab the pole, just push. Make sure you're not too high or too low, and let your body drop. Forward and back, bending that elbow. You want to push with the muscles under the armpit. Body stays straight. Push, push, and push. You can also do this from the side. Again, wrist in nice straight alignment, elbow bends, and push. I'm not over grabbing the pole, I'm just pushing. And then the other side. Letting that shoulder blade slide across the back. Try those exercises, then come back into your butterfly and extended butterfly and see if that feels stronger. Give it a try and let me know. Have a great day.